Pandas, pandas, pandas. Welcome to the stream. It's Monday. Monday. TGIM. Thank God it's Monday. You know why, pandas? You know exactly why. Because we're back here doing what we love most. And doing it with the community we love most. Pandas, we're here live on Baba Money. We are streaming trading futures, E-minis every single day. 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. I'm glad to be here. I missed y'all on Friday. What can I say? There's no better place to be than on this stream. And unfortunately, even me taking breaks, you know, what are breaks, you know? I'm taking a break from doing what I truly love. Is a break truly a break? But pandas, hey, it's good to be back. I miss you guys. Pandas. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. Make sure you guys drop a GM in the chat, or you know, good morning or good evening, good afternoon, good evening, just in case, you know, a little Truman Show action. Pandas. Top left of your screen, you guys can follow along. We are on a 100K journey right now. I gotta get my bamboo. I gotta get my food too. I'm gonna get my food too. Don't worry, pandas. It's just a matter of time. We'll get there. We've done it many times before. We're gonna do it again. Pandas, welcome. Thanks for joining. Bill 7, good morning. Blacklight, good morning. Lou the Rider, welcome. Blacklight says, I'm in the path of totality, but it's cloudy right now. Today we have a solar eclipse. Maybe that will affect our trading. Who knows? It's gonna be it might be crazy. It might cause some people, you know, you got a full moon, and then you got a total eclipse. Someday that 151K will be pure profit. Hugh, good morning. Yo, mama's so fat she can cause a solar eclipse whenever she stands up. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Emmanuel, good morning. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Thanks for joining. Whoo! Are you guys ready? Are you ready this week? Forget about last week, pandas. Forget about last week. We're going to focus on this week. We're going to focus on today. We're going to focus on the very next trade. That's all we're focused on. We don't care about yesterday. We don't care about last week. We don't care about last month. All we care about is our next trade. And that's all we care about, pandas. That's all that matters. Don't let all the other stuff in their past affect your next trade. Hugh says, my payout with 2 flip days was approved, so it's true 20% flipping is allowed. Let's go, baby. I honestly think at this point, if you don't reach the 30% consistency rule, I'm just hearing from a lot of people that they're denying their payouts because they broke the 30% consistency rule, which is not a problem, right? It just means that you have to keep trading, you get more profits, so you can pass the 30% because you don't get banned, you don't lose your accounts or anything. You just have to wait for the next payout and make sure that you are within the consistency rules. If you don't know the consistency rules, basically it's 30% consistency rule, which means that if any single day you make more than 30% of your total profits, when you request a payout, then you break the consistency. You have to be under 30%. So you might have a monster day, but technically a monster day may not be that good for you, because that might mean in order to make the consistency rule, you'll have to make that much more money in your account. So let's just say like you have a monster $2,000 day. Let me make it easier. Let's just say you have a monster $3,000 day. $3,000 day. Right? And you're on like a 50K account. You could technically request for a payout, because you just need $2,500 or $2,600 in order to request a payout. But because of the consistency rule, you cannot request a payout until you have $10,000 in profit, because that one single day of $3,000 is going to make up 30%. It's going to be more than 30% unless you make at least $10,000 of profit. Does that make sense, pandas? I hope that makes sense. It's 30% of profits. Yep. Jeff, good morning. Welcome. I think it's kind of silly though, because it's like, let's say you have like, a big red day, 2,000 minus, like, let's say you get minus $3,000 on a big red day, but the next day you gain $3,000. So like in a sense, you're like a little consistent. Gilbert Medina dropping the subs, gifted subs. I appreciate it. Gilbert every week. Gilbert. Good morning, B-Man. Let's grab that huge bag of bamboo, Panda Warriors. Let's go. Thanks for the gifted subs. ASCII, JJ Jones, YL, Gilby, Andre. You guys are all new pandas. Appreciate it. Gilbert, hey, appreciate it. We're going to get it. We're going to get it. Man, I cannot exaggerate when I say I had the best community on YouTube verified. Gilbert, thanks. I appreciate it. Gilbert must be feeling happy. Get that bamboo. Gilbert, if you want to share, you can share part of your trading journey if you want. Let us know how things are for you. YL is a panda. Can you believe it? And Andre, who keeps saying the giveaways are rigged, is now a panda. Unbelievable. Is it ASCII or Ace? Ace. Welcome, welcome. Market's about to open in 3 minutes. And we got a nice little second entry long here. I like it. It's a small overshoot. Might lead to a small undershoot here. I would love to have a little undershoot and then give us a nice signal bar to go long. Unfortunately, we're not touching any supports right now. This is the most generous I can make this trend line, by the way. quick look at the daily chart. It's a second entry long on a daily chart. I mean, it's just a massive second entry long. Really first break of trend on this big channel here, in my opinion. And most likely the pullback will be small. So I'm looking for another push up here to break this high. Then kind of anything can happen. Weekly chart, small pullback really. It's been a while. It's been a couple months. It's been a pullback on the weekly chart. Jeez. Let's check the news real quick, pandas. I believe there's no news until Wednesday, but Wednesday is a big kahuna. No news today, no news tomorrow, but Wednesday, be ready at 8:30. I'm like, you know, if I were to choose a news event to pass your evals, it would be Wednesday at 8:30. The core CPI numbers. Honestly, I mean, everything is hanging on inflation right now, and the core CPI is like your most important CPI data. I know Blacklight has a good problem. He's like, I keep getting burned with that 30% rule. I make too much money. Yeah. Boo-hoo, man. Boo-hoo. Sean Bear Bar, I don't like that, but we do have an undershoot. Maybe we get a nice, maybe get a nice, clean signal bar here. Only other problem is we're gonna have a gap on the 5-minute chart, a small gap, but it will be a gap nevertheless, which we may want to fill. Alright, pandas, countdown. You guys ready? Ooh, that doesn't look good anymore. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding, ding.
5-minute trap.
Ooh, okay. It wants to. It's underneath the 20 EMA. I have to let this one go, pandas. I'm sorry. Even if it works, I gotta let it go. I mean, even if it works, I'm not even sad I skipped it because it's beneath the 20 EMA. Gonna just let it. You just gotta let it go. Inside bar. You may want to fill the gap on the 5-minute chart. My 5-minute chart has a small gap here. It may just want to fill it very quickly before really triggering, or before really going up. All right, inside bar breaks to the downside. I'll let you know. I'll let you know when the gap is filled. Pandas. Hey, all that matters is our next trade. Win or lose. We had a good week or a bad week last week. Don't matter. All that matters is this next trade, pandas. Ooh, okay. Okay. Trying to fill that gap, I believe. I'm not sure if we'll get there, but I like it when the market makes it easy decision for us. Where obviously we're not going to go long here. Right? We're underneath the 20 MA, you know, several bear bars. I like it when the market makes it easy for us, even though it sucks because our setup disappears. Nevertheless, it's an easy decision to make, which is nice, right? We're not gonna go long. I don't know if I'll go short here. I really gotta overshoot, leading to the undershoot. And even if this does work, it's just like nothing we can do to enter that trade. If you know what I mean, pandas. Still have that gap to fill. I mean, it could fill later. Don't have to fill now. Trap trade? Yeah, I'm definitely skipping this trap trade. I don't think I did this trap. Right, it looks like it's bouncing here, and it looks like it can make a new high. Maybe even a higher low might be not that bad of a trade, right? It'd be a failed trap, essentially. But let's say the trap about to trigger. Trap does trigger here. Right, that's a harder trade to skip, in my opinion. We want to go short, but we're still looking for a new high, which is the problem why we cannot take this trap trade. Trap makes 2 points though. We're so close to filling the gap here. Doji bar, skipping it. Right, makes it more like trading range. Even if it triggers, it's hard to take. I think my only setup I'll take is a failed second entry short at this point to make a new high. Because we're so close to filling the gap on the 5-minute chart. Like, there's unfinished business here. And I don't like trading against unfinished business. A lot of inside bars here. Already we saw 2 inside bars. Right? We saw an inside bar here. Now we saw another inside bar here. Oh, 3 inside bars. Inside bar here, inside bar here, inside bar here. It just means that we may turn to a trading range here. When we get a failed second entry short, I'll take it. This is a higher low, but right, higher low, you got a low here and a low here, right? This low is higher than this low, higher low. So, but it's underneath the 20 MA. Okay, pandas. I mean, I cannot resist this one. Can I? Is it possible for me to actually resist this? Content. I do it for the content. I don't do it because I'm doing it for the content. All right, pandas. Content only. Only trades. Only pans. Oh, pandas. That's gonna be my thing. Only pans. I'm doing this for the only pans. It's underneath the 20 MA. It's hard to take that trap, to be honest. Being underneath the 20 MA. Guys, make sure you guys sign up for OnlyPans. It's a little clever. You gotta give me a little bit of credit for that. Just a little bit. There's an eclipse today, and depending on where you are in the world, you can have a total eclipse. Which means the entire world, or the entire moon, or what am I saying? The entire sun is covered. What am I? I'm out of it, pandas. I'm out of it. I'm glad I didn't take that trap because I just lost that trade. If you did, and this trap actually might have been a decent trade to take. We trigger the inside bar to maybe fill the gap here. I'll take that small retracement if we can get another one. Okay. You could say in a sense, right, this might have a... Actually, maybe something more like that, huh? Trying to fill the gap here. Five-minute, right? The gap here is what I'm talking about. We closed here on Friday. We opened here today. And we have a gap here, right? From this open to this close. How do I know this is the close? Because it's a red bar. How do I know this is open right here? Because this is a red bar. So it opens up here. Very close to filling the gap. Huh. Very close, filling the gap here. About a point away from filling the gap. Might be close enough, to be honest. Close enough. Sometimes I get burned for not actually being patient and waiting for that gap to fill. I've been burned because of that. Like, you'll get like a trap set up here, but it will fail, and then it will fill the gap, then another trap will happen. The second trap is a trap that you take. All right, this market is dead. What is going on? Give me something good to eat. We're just like flirting with filling the gap here. Okay, second entry short here. Do I like it? Nah. I don't like it. This is not enough room. I should have taken it, Pandas. Why did you stop me? I knew it was a good trade. I should have taken that second entry short. I'm just kidding. I mean, it's not touching really any resistances. There was plenty of supports right beneath it, such as filling the gap. Pandas. Don't forget, the only thing that matters today, right now, is the next trade. That's all that matters. Everything that's happened in your trading journey does not matter. Only thing that matters right now is this next trade. All right, Panda. So let's see what is happening. Okay. 10,000 tick chart. Hits the bottom of the trading range. 10,000 tick chart has a trading range here. 5-minute chart also has a trading range. Are we going to get to it? Don't know. Makes sense. 5-minute had an inside bar. 5-minute inside bar here. And you make it 1-to-1 like immediately in one bar, which is nice. All right, that's your risk. Your risk is one bar, or your risk is just the bar itself. And you make a 1-to-1 on that, which is nice. Right? Inside bars are about 50-50. So if you make a 1-to-1, it's a break-even strategy. If you can put the edge slightly in your favor, for instance, by trading with like taking the inside bars only with trend, or if it's in a trading range, take it, or maybe at the top of the trading range, get back to the bottom. Then you can become profitable if you Gain some edge. Gain some slight edge by trading a little bit with context. Otherwise, it's 50-50. You got a second entry short here, Pandas. Do we like it, though? Do we like this trade? Do we like this second entry short here? I'm going to trade the trap here. 2 strong bull bars, another strong bull bar. This is technically first break of trend though. Signal bar is terrible for a second entry short currently as it stands. Ooh, okay. Small teeny baby risk. Little teeny weeny risk here. Only thing that I have that's teeny weeny is this risk. Okay. Cool. Teeny weeny risk. Unfortunately, it doesn't even trigger down here so I can take the trap. Instead, it does a micro double bottom. Where the eager bulls just jump in at the break of this bar up here. Let's see how it reacts when it hits the top of this, right? For those who missed this initial move. Okay. Confusing. Definitely still on the bullish side right now because we are above the 20 MA, but okay. Maybe we'll get an actual true trap here, which would be better in my opinion. A true trap here. Give me a true trap. Give me a second. Give me a fail second just short right now. I'll take it. I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. Pandas. Gilbert, the other panda saying thank you for the gifted subs. I appreciate it as well. Ooh, inside bar breaks to the upside. Again, we don't get our setup because this market's being ultra stingy right now. We don't get our fail second entry short. And I'm just not going to take this long here just because I want to. I really wanted my setup, right? I wanted the second entry short to trigger, fail, and reverse up. But instead, it's going up without me. Very interesting. I mean, if my setup doesn't happen, this doesn't happen. We let it go. But darn. My premise was correct here. Unfortunately, I wish it triggered here. Again, we have news on Wednesday. We can just chop around until Wednesday. That could be possible. This is a daily chart. We're in like explosive position here, right? We're in a place where we can really explode. I mean, this trap could still be decent if we get a nice, right, trigger here back down to the 20 EMA and bounce off of it. I would love that. I would love that. Sure. I think, in my opinion, it's worth it, especially for a swing trade, a nice swing trade. Again, we're not getting any pullbacks here. We're just having a hard time breaking a previous candle's low. It failed to do so here, failed to do so here. It's going to try again here. Will it do it this time? I do not know. Failed to do so again. Inside bar, right? It's a day of inside bars. Inside bar here, inside bar here, inside bar here, inside bar here, inside bar here. So many inside bars. It's like we already seen 5 or 6 inside bars. Give me my setup and I'll take it. I'll do it. But I need that fail second entry short first. Almost triggers that second entry short. Let's go, Pandas. Pandas. Get ready for a swing trade. Okay. I like it to touch the 20 EMA here. Bounce off of it. Okay, that's a strong bear bar, pandas. That's a hard bar to go long against. I'm not gonna lie. It's a bit hard for me to do that. I want a little bit of retracement here. Give me a little retracement, please. If this does trigger. It might look for a new low still, pandas. You know, it's this first break of trend. We could still be looking for a new low. If I was ultra patient, I would wait for that. But for me, since I'm swing trading, I don't mind if I lose a trade. I don't mind if I lose a trade because I know my next trade, I can gain it back. But I'd rather not miss the opportunity. Right? Especially when you have a good setup off a decent, with some decent context here. Give me a 2-tick retracement. I'll take it. I'll do it. Ooh, this is better actually, pandas. This is better. I'll just take this straight up if we can get it. I'll take this straight up. If we don't... Ooh. Ugh. Ugh. Another inside bar. Ugh. I don't know. Okay. Comes up. Comes all the way back down. Interesting. Could be looking for new low still. 5-minute chart as well, right? Trading range. It could hit the bottom of the trading range still. Okay. 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 Ooh. Ooh, this is a terrible trade. I'll take it, though. It's a terrible trade. I'll take it. The reason why I'm saying it's terrible is we got 3 overlapping bars in a row, essentially. Price Action Academy ass. Hey, Panda, can you give a brief explanation of how you copy your trades? This is not a paid actor, Pandas. I did not. He's not a plug. I did not ask him to do this. Replicanto. I use the Apex trade copier. I used it for a long time, and I thought it was okay until I use Replicanto. Right? It's created by Flowbots. The company's Flowbots. Replicanto. You can find the link in the description. Replicanto all the way, and use BBM20 for 20% off. It's cheaper than the Apex trade copier, and it's better. Like, can you ask for more? You may ask, why is it better? Well, if you have to choose right now, right? If you have the Apex trade copier, I can understand it might be difficult. By the way, I'm skipping this trade now. I mean, it's been beneath the 20 minute, looking for a new low at this point. But if you already have the Apex trade copier, I understand. You might be good enough for you not to spend another $150 to purchase another trade copier. But pandas, if you haven't purchased one, or if you're looking for a better one than the Apex trade copier, Replicanto all the way, because they are continually putting updates onto it. They're continually fixing bugs. You're not going to get the same kind of support with Apex, right? Flowbots is dedicated to their product, right? That's what they do. They are not a prop firm. All they do is, is make these, right, plugins or indicators for Ninja, Ninja Trader, and yeah. But hey, if you don't care about Ninja Trader and you're deciding to trade between Tradeovate or Ninja, use Tradeovate, right? They have I believe they have a native trade copier, and it's all cloud, so you can trade basically on your web browser. Avalon said that's a Replicanto employee, probably. That's genius. That's genius. You know what we should do? We should do like a sting operation. Go to other streams and be like, one person needs to say, "Hey, is there any other good streamers for futures trading out there?" Like in the chat, and then we need another person that says, "Oh yeah, buy money, best community on YouTube verified." That's it. That's just you just need two pandas to go to every streamer to say that. Go to two pandas to every Discord. That's all you need. Infiltrate all the other channels. You just need a little teamwork. Mission failed. Got exposed. I mean, we got so many inside bars, pandas. We got another inside bar here. It just makes me feel not confident in the price action right now. Just so many inside bars. It's just very typical of. The thing is, what I'm not seeing are big wicks. If I saw big wicks, then I would say this is definitely trading range. But the inside bars are making me feel like this price action is a little sus today. It's gonna be a little sus. Maybe looking for a new high, maybe spike channel. Spiking channel like this. Could be the case here. Got second entry long on the 10,000 tick chart. But 10,000 tick chart doesn't seem like it's in a place where it really knows where it wants to go. Right? Your 10,000 tick chart looks like this. And pretty much you're just like in a triangle right now. So it can go up, has room to go up here, but what is this line? But really, when you look at the price action, you just looking at it, it's just hard to say if this is gonna go up or down. Your price action is telling us, right, just kind of going sideways.
10,000 tick trap.
Is there any other good streamers for futures trading out there? Hey, YL, are you with Trades by Matt or something? What's going on? YL, by the way, you became a panda if you didn't realize. Oh, YL, you were a panda before, huh? You were a panda before because you wouldn't have that second leg on that pullback. Do you mark previous open close? Yeah. There's a native indicator on Ninja that does that. This teal line is a high, right? The OHLC, open, high, low, close. This is the high. Ooh, second entry long here. I don't know. Are we looking for a new low or looking for a new high here? It's hard to say. Wow, the low is so low. It's way down here. The low of yesterday is also the low of the week. So if you look closely, there's two lines here. You got the dashed line and the dotted line. The dotted line represents the weekly OHLC, and the dashed line is the daily OHLC. We got the second entry line of triggers here. It's just hard to tell which way it's gonna go because of this triangle it's creating. I don't know. Could be a spiking channel here. It's risky. The signal bar's not the best either. Nothing's established right in terms of uptrend or downtrend. I just feel like it's a little bit sus. But now we can sense maybe we're going up now. It's just too hard to tell right now for me. I'm gonna sit on my pause here. It's just really hard to tell. Right. Also, we're going in and out of the previous day's close, previous week's close, and also previous day's close, which is right. Monday, the previous Monday or Friday's close is the previous week's close. It's the same.
5-minute trap.
Ooh, I'm glad I skipped this trade. I'm glad I skipped it. 10,000 tick trap maybe enticing to take. Ooh, I'm glad I skipped this trade, Pandas. I'll be sweating right now. My cojones would be sweaty right now if I was in this trade. I mean, your risk is very small. It's only 2-point risk, but your cojones will definitely be shriveled up by now in that trade. It's lots of risk. The inside bars are making me feel like that something's up here. Just the market's undecided. Alex, welcome. Good morning, guys. Herbie, welcome. LG Willie, welcome. Big Day, welcome. Emmanuel, welcome, guys. Good morning, good morning. Say good morning to a couple more pandas. Okay, another inside bar created, pandas. Right now it broke to the upside, right? Another inside bar. So many inside bars today. It's not common, pandas. We shouldn't have this many inside bars. Something's up. Something's going on. The inside bars on the smaller time frames makes me feel like there'd be inside bars on the bigger time frames, which means like breakouts would be hard to make. I think. I don't know.
10,000 tick.
I don't know, pandas. I don't know what I'm saying. I just made that up. But it kind of makes sense, no? It's a little based. It's kind of based.
5-minute trap.
Only pans will understand. The only pans will understand. We do trigger the trap here, pandas. Double top, maybe? I feel like I gotta try. Right, pandas? I feel like I gotta try. Wow. Sometimes you shouldn't even try at all. It bounced perfectly off the bottom of my channel. I'm confused on why I took this trade. Really, it's a 10,000 tick trap trade that's really enticing me here. And the risk reward, I believe, is decent. Right, also trap on the 10,000 tick. I think we have good risk reward here, pandas. I'll take it. Right, we're risking 1, 2, 3, 4 points. Potentially to gain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go for 10 points, pandas. Let's not be greedy. We need that bamboo. We gotta make this trade worth it. You know, we're looking for a new low here at this point. Got 4 pushes up. Essentially, it's a L4 setup. 10,000 tick chart. Trap triggers. Right, it's a trap trade. It's a trap trade. Also, 5-minute chart is also a trap trade. So I'm in this trade now. And let's see what happens, pandas. It doesn't look good, though. I'll tell you that much. The initial reaction, it doesn't give me, you know, warm, fuzzy feelings inside. It does the quite opposite. It makes me want to throw up. Okay. Or the market's going to throw up. Either way. Or not. Oh, oof. It's a punch in the gut right there. It's a punch in the gut. Nothing makes you want to vomit more than trading. I'll tell you that much. Jeez. Sorry for anyone who has like a gag reflex. You know what? I should just stay away from every trade today. This is crazy. Look at me overlapping bars around. It's a trading range. Why am I in this trade, pandas? Why do I put myself through this turmoil, pandas? Psych. Best trade ever. Easiest trade of my life. How dare you guys doubt this setup? How dare you guys doubt the panda? How dare you guys doubt bye-bye money? How dare you? I knew it was a good trade from the beginning. I wasn't worried at all. Only the unbelievers Or pandas. I gotta get out of this trade. I should came out break even. What was I thinking? Why am I still in this trade? What am I doing right now? Pandas. Pandas. Why am I still in this trade? I should just come out break even. Psych. Pandas. I was testing if you guys had the cojones to hold on to this trade. Like me. That was a true test. You guys failed. Obviously, it's a great trade. And I'm glad I'm in it. No regrets. Obviously, best trade of the stream. Oof. Yes.
10,000 tick trap.
More of this. More of this. Strong bear bar closing on its low. 10,000 tick chart. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take that. Ooh. Pandas. Pandas. Should I just take the 1-to-1? Am I being greedy? I could have gotten away with 1-to-1, pandas. Why didn't you let me take out 1-to-1? What were you guys thinking? Why did you let me trade? Why did you make me try to take such a big profits here? I should just take 1-to-1 here. Right, that's an easy 200 bambaroonies I could have made instantly. But no one stopped me. No one stopped me. I don't know why. Now I'm like regretting. I wish I took my bambaroonies. My 200 bambaroonies. Ooh, hey, might reverse here. I'll hate that. But if it does reverse here, I'm gonna actually extend it. What I can do is this. If I really, really want to play it safe, I could do something like this where I protect my original capital. The only bad part about this is that if it does trigger, I lose threshold. I lose threshold. Mine is pretty much losing money, right? When you lose threshold, you're pretty much losing money, which is unfortunate. Ooh, break to the downside. That'll make me happy. Right, another inside bar. Ooh, no, 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 no. Original risk. We're taking original risk. Now we're gonna extend our reward because we're keeping this risk on. We're gonna extend the reward back here. We're looking for that lower high here. Looking for a nice swing trade. Again, I could have been happy with my 1-to-1, but for some reason, none of the pandas stopped me. You guys just want to see me lose You guys just want to see me lose money. I know that's why you guys join every single day. By the way, scalp that like button. Scalp that like button so we can win this trade, pandas. One time. Just asking for one time here. One time. Ooh. Cojones, pandas, need to be activated right now. You need to activate your cojones. Maximum force. Maximum strength cojones power time. You gotta hold it in, pandas. You gotta hold it in, pandas. For the maximum cojones pain. Max pain here, pandas. Max pain. Come on. Come on. If we break this low, pandas, turning Super Saiyan on if we break this low. I'm telling you, if we break this low, I'm going Super Saiyan. We gotta break this low to activate the Super Saiyan. Pandas is playing games with my heart right now. This is Pandas! Pandas! Super Saiyan! Push! 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 Come on! Push! Push! No! Do not reverse up. No! Pandas! Pandas! Turn from Super Saiyan to feeling the heat. Come on. One more push down, Pandas. That's all we asked for, one time. One more push down. It's not looking pretty though, Pandas. It's not looking pretty. It's not looking pretty at all right now, Pandas. Oh no! Ah, that does not look good at all, Pandas. We are in the heat right now. We had a nice 5-pointer. I was looking for a new low, Pandas. Is that too much to ask for? I was looking for a new low. We got a double top. Now we got like a triple bottom here. Yikes. I got real greedy. Ooh, that is bad. I'm feeling the heat. I am feeling the heat. I'm truly feeling the heat here, Pandas. There's the Pandas. There's one thing you need to know. My cojones are not made out of diamonds. They're made of adamantium. Pandas. That's how strong my cojones are. It's an element that doesn't even exist on this planet. That's how strong my cojones are. That's how incredibly strong my cojones are, Pandas. 2 strong bull bars. Pandas. Pandas? Oh, the higher low is real bad news for me. Higher low is very bad news for me. Ooh, I don't know. I could have came out 1-1, Pandas. I could have just came out at 1-1, but no one stopped me. Why didn't anyone stop me? Why didn't anyone just tell me to come out 1-1? I mean, we're pretty much break even still. I could just skunk this trade. I should just skunk it and wait for another setup. Ooh, the higher low is very bad, Pandas. The higher low is muy mal. It goes against everything I believe in. It goes against the gospel. What is going on? This is not right. I'm feeling pain. Ooh, this is not good. This looks like it's about to explode. This looks like it's about to explode. Oh, Pandas. Calm down, everybody. Everybody just calm down. I got Super Saiyan and the heat on at the same time. Doesn't make sense. Pandas. Everyone's calm down. It's just Apex. It's just Daryl dollars. Pandas. It's okay. It's Daryl dollars. It's fine. It's completely okay. I'm coming out break even +1 if I can. I don't like that higher low at all. I don't like it at all, Pandas. I'll tell you this much though. If it does hit my stop loss, my premise is completely off. My premise is completely wrong. And I think that is the proper place to exit this trade. Right? Either here or at this point. I mean, technically I can hold this. Pandas, why not? Why not? Why not at this point, right? We gone this far. Let's just hold it. I got Big Mama set up here. Let's just hold it. Might as well just hold it. We've held it this long, Pandas. I mean, what's the difference? What's the difference at the end? We're still in our first trade of the day. Only problem is we're like, ooh, Pandas. I knew I should have held it. Pandas, what did I tell you? What did I tell you, Pandas? You doubted me from the beginning. This is what you get for doubting me. Told you, Pandas. This is what you get for doubting my trade I knew I should have held it from the beginning. It is obviously gonna go down. It is so obvious. This is gonna crash at any moment. It is so very obvious. So very obvious. Pandas. Pandas. Super Saiyan. Okay, I cannot take another reversal. Pandas, if it comes back up, I cannot handle that. That is too much. That's too much uncertainty in my life. I cannot take another reversal here. I'm coming out break even if it happens. I don't think I can handle another one of these. I don't think I can handle another one. My little panda heart can't handle another one of these reversals. I think from here, if it does reverse, I'll just come out break even. And at this point, I just can't. If it reverses again, I really don't think I should be in this trade. Yeah, I'm out, pandas. I'm out. I mean, we made $8.32. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. But pandas, I told you, I should have came out 1-1. I should have came out 1-1. Why didn't you guys tell me to come out 1-1? I could have made a nice $200 bambaroonies. First trade of the day, $8.32. Easiest trade of my life. No emotions. Completely emotionless trading. It's a skunk. I mean, if I saw this reverse again, I just don't think it's right to hold. It's just too uncertain. It's too 50-50. We'll just let it go. We'll enter another setup if we see one. What can I say? My Darrow dollars, man. You're just losing Darrow dollars. That's all it is.
5-minute trap.
I just think at this point the price action is telling me, get out, get out until we actually make a move here. I mean, this is pretty much like every day, right? Every day for the last 2 months, just completely chopping around. Let me show you the 5-minute chart, just to show how ridiculous the chop is right now. This is the 5-minute chart. Look at how choppy it is. I mean, nothing has happened so far. Maybe we can like do like this now. We can like have a more accurate trend line here. Maybe breaking to the upside here. I'm ultimately glad I just skunked that trade. I mean,
10,000 tick trap.
That would again give me another mini heart attack. It's ranked, right? This PA is rank. Absolutely rank. I mean, if you still like the short trade, you can literally enter. You could have shorted anywhere here and be in a better position than you were here. It's pushing down now. All right, see again. You just have no idea. You still have no idea. That's a triple top. Maybe I can go short on the triple top. 1, 2, 3 triple top. Give me a lower high. I'll be interested, I guess. Lower high, perhaps. Taking the triple top, super chop. Make you slop. Can't even make a good trend line there. But it is a triangle on a higher time frame, right? 10,000 tick, I think, is still in a triangle. 5-minute chart, obviously, still have this trend line. Might have a trend line break now. Jeez, this is too hard to tell. You gotta trade the price action. Right now, price action is completely sideways. You can hope for a breakout, but you gotta just have the appropriate risk reward for the probability of the breakout. The probability to breakout is low, so that means you have to have really good risk reward. That means you're gonna lose most of the time. But if you win, it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice. If you do win, it's gonna be nice. 2000 tick chart actually is giving us the accurate trading range at the moment. The triple top is turning into nothing. Look at this. Coming right back up. Just knocking on the door again. Jeez. What is that? What is that? Look at that bar. Look at this bear bar. Look at this bull bar. Jeez. I don't know. Like I said, Pandas, there were so many inside bars earlier today. It's really hard. It just felt so likely that this would start to turn into this kind of price action. Let me count how many inside bars we have, starting from the market open. 1, 2, 3. If you don't know what inside bar is, it's basically when the bar is completely enclosed by the previous bar or engulfed. So we got, right, see the top, the high and the low is inside the high and the low of the previous bar. So this is the inside bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 inside bars so far, Pandas. We have 12 inside bars on the 2000 tick chart. This is actually kind of crazy. Like the statistical probability for that is it's remarkably low. And we have it. Yet we have it right now, right before us. So you might ask, then bye money. Why don't you just trade with limit orders and sell high, buy low, buy low, sell high? Why don't you just do that, buy money? If you're so confident in this trading range. 13 inside bars in a row, not in a row, but 13 inside bars. The answer to that is because I suck with limit orders. I just don't know how to trade them. I don't know what to do. I'm just so scared. I don't know why. I'm just not used to losing a lot, right? Inside bars, I mean, if you trade limit orders, you're going to lose a lot. But, I don't know. I'm just not used to that. I guess I should be, but I'm not used to it. Let me put it this way. I'm not used to trading a system that is expecting to lose a lot. You know what I mean, Panis? I'm not used to trading a system that's expected to lose a lot. Losing a lot is different than trading a system that's expected to lose a lot. There's a big difference, Pandas. But Pandas, I'm not gonna lie. I watched Dune 2 in IMAX. Okay, if you're gonna watch a movie in IMAX, Dune 2. Like if you're gonna watch a movie, if you're gonna watch Dune 2, you might as well watch it in IMAX, in my opinion. Cause that is, I'm not gonna lie. There are some scenes in Dune 2 in IMAX that actually made me tremble. They were crazy. Okay, I mean, if you haven't seen it, you have no idea what I'm talking about. But if you do watch Dune 2, watch an IMAX. It will blow your mind away. It will blow your cojones away. Ooh, are we breaking out, Pandas? Right, I thought it was a triple top, but really, it might just break out here. Can you see Zen? I'm not sure there's much. I mean, okay, that was inappropriate. I'm not sure if there's. Let me finish that sentence. I'm not sure if there's much adult scenes They do have some scenes where they're like intimate, but they're not. They don't show anything. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. Unpopular opinion. I'm gonna ask you guys this, cause I'm a bit confused. I gotta know. Is it just me? I'm not gonna say what I think, but I'm gonna just put this poll up here and then I'll tell you my opinion. I gotta tell you my opinion after you finish this poll. I just need to know. I just need to know. Is Zendaya pretty? Is Zendaya pretty? Let me know in the poll if you think Zendaya is pretty. Emmanuel Martinez is like, nah. I said just fill the poll out. He just says, nah, I'm not gonna fill the poll out. I'm just gonna tell you straight up. Nah. There's no option for meh. If it's meh, it's to say no. I'm just like, I'm curious. We got 2 inside bars in a row. It's just inside bar day today, huh? Which might ultimately lead to a daily bar inside bar. Not sure if that's a thing, but it kind of makes sense to me. This channel has been reduced to rating celebrities. Rating celebrities is what this channel has been reduced to because the price action is absolutely rank. Hugh says she's pretty in the sense that she's fit and not heinous, but she's no Jessica Alba. You're using Jessica Alba as your like woman par excellence. Creme de la creme. I mean, Jessica Alba is... Jessica Alba is actually, yeah. There were like a couple like 90s, 2000s like celebrities that... The celebrities today don't even compare to. I think Jessica Alba is one of a kind. Honestly, I actually really like what's her name, Mandy Moore. I thought Mandy Moore was very attractive. My number one is do I even want to tell you my number one? Jessica Alba, actually, a lot of respect to her. She left showbiz because she apparently is actually like a master businesswoman. She like sells clothes or something and like fragrances. I don't know, makeup. I don't know. She does something, but she's like apparently like an amazing entrepreneur. So like she just said, forget Hollywood. I'd rather just be rich. Not a bad choice. We do got a trap trade here. This might be breaking up, but we do have a triangle. We do have a triangle that we have to consider, in my opinion. We're 50-50 with is in Daya. Zendaya pretty. Panda's number one, Ronda Rousey. What the? That is so random. Is Ronda Rousey anyone's number one? What about China? Can you imagine if China was in today's WWE? WWF? Was she I think she's WWF. Can you imagine if China was in today's WWF? You have a Asian girl who basically I think is Chinese, and her name was China. When I grew up, she was like the kind of like the buff female girl, I guess that at the time, like the female BA. Ronda Rousey, I think, is like maybe today's female BA, even though she got destroyed by Holly. Like destroyed. It made her spiral into depression because how bad she lost. Ah, she has a brand called Honest. Honest, that's hers. Jeez, she is a genius. Hey man, is there any free version Apex Trade Copier? Nope, not that I know of. Not that I know of. And do you honestly want to use a free trade copier? Cause if you're gonna copy trades across like let's say potentially like 20 accounts, then oof, I don't know if you want to use a free one. I think you want to use one that actually is like updated, worked on, and used. I mean, you get your money's worth. Oh, Replicanto has a trial. That's nice. I can tell you a secret about trials. No, I shouldn't say. I shouldn't say. I shouldn't say. Should I say? It's a lot of work though. That's a problem. Hit the top of the triangle. Eventually it does find a breakout. I'm glad I ultimately skunked this trade. I should have took my 1-to-1 out. I got maybe a little greedy there. Right, 1-to-1 was hit on the 10,000 tick. Right, 1-to-1 was hit. Hit twice actually. Jeez. I had a second chance to get out 1-to-1. I still didn't do it. I still didn't even take it. My second chance to get out 1-to-1. Got two strong bull bars on the 5-minute chart. I think it's definitely worth purchasing a reliable trade copier. That is probably right. Other than of course, the two-legged pullback indicator, duh. But other than that, like if you if you need something to be reliable, like I think the trade copier is probably a must-have in my opinion. If you're trading with prop firms like on Ninja Trader, trade copier is a must-have in my opinion. It enables you to make so much money. It enables you to make so much money for a small, teeny little investment, right? $150, you get 20% off using BBM 20. I don't even know the final price. It's around there, and it's just a small, teeny investment for the amount of money you can make. It's not even close. It's well worth your money in my opinion. I mean, that might be a lot of money to some people, but still, I think when it comes to trading, if that is a lot of money to you, I would suggest not to trade. My personal opinion. If $150 is a lot of money to you to invest in to make the potentially 20x your gains, then wait, 20x your gains are pretty much the same risk, right? You're not really changing anything. It's literally your 20x your gains with the exact same trading you're doing, but if that's a lot of money to you, like $150, I would say probably get in a better financial situation than you are in before you start trading. In my opinion, that's just my humble opinion. We got 52% of people saying Zendaya is pretty. Okay, it is not as like one side as I thought it was gonna be. It seems like pretty 50-50, pretty close. All right. My opinion on Zendaya is that she is not pretty at all. I'm just gonna say that right now. I just don't understand. Like, I think, I think what she is supposed to be is like the modern, like the modern, the image of the modern woman, right? She's like obviously a mixed person. She looks, in my opinion, very unique. She I think maybe it's like she's kind of is like the like picture of the modern woman, right? Like as we get closer and closer to globalization and all these things, and um, people are becoming more and more mixed, and or whatever, mixed race um, people, and it's just like it's kind of creating this new. Ooh, hello. I think we're breaking out here, pandas. Surely breaking out now. I got Big Mama set up here. Sydney Sweeney. Miss Panda better be a Miss Panda is the most gorgeous panda ever to exist. There's no one more perfect than Mrs. Panda. Who is this? Sydney Sweeney. Do I know this person? Oh, wow. Moment I type Sydney. Where's she in? She's literally in movies I've never seen. I've never seen or never want to see. Okay, she's not like a... Whoa, no, thank you. That's not it. Emmanuel Martinez, to each his own. Beauty is the eye of the beholder, but I think you may be blind. I don't think... Nah. Hugh says, Pamela Anderson was my #1. Interesting. When I was... We may be around the same age. Pamela Anderson, I mean, like, when I grew up, like, Cindy Crawford was still very popular. Cindy Crawford was, like... I don't think anyone, in terms of, like, model stardom, was as popular as Cindy Crawford. You guys probably have no idea who she is. But I think model-wise, like, Cindy Crawford was, like, unmatched, unbeatable. We definitely lost all the female viewers with... I think you'd be surprised. I think females like it when guys talk about girls. I think they find it intriguing, to be honest. You know why? Because if they hear guys talking about girls, and they're kind of like, okay, then they understand, they may use that to their advantage. Queen Elizabeth? Betty White, Queen Elizabeth? What? GC Zendaya is not in the league of the real Mary Jane in the comics. Yeah. Zendaya is like it's just not my type, let's just say. I don't know. I don't think she's pretty at all. Angelina Jolie or Olivia Wilde? I would say Angelina Jolie, but Olivia Wilde is really pretty. Haley Steinfeld? I don't know these people. Are you guys making people up? I don't want to look something up and like someone like puts a name and I don't know and it ends up being like a they're into like corn. Like they're a big corn star and I don't want to be like, okay, great, thanks. Maybe I should know these people. Haley Steinfeld, maybe she's popular. I'm too scared to look it up. Kaya? Oh, wow. Yeah, I'll look that up. Kaya. I didn't know Cindy Crawford had a daughter. That makes sense. Actually, I didn't know she ever got pregnant. Jeez. My number one is actually Scarlett. I mean, you can say whatever you want. You can say whatever you want, but Scarlett Johansson takes the cake. Takes the cake. It's preference obviously, but I think it's just like she just. Haley Steinfeld. All right, I look it up. I look it up. She's a real person. All right, all right. No, no. Why? Really? Is this what? No, she is not. Nope. Again, this person is negative in my books. From 1 to 10, she's negative. Negative 50. I like white chicks. That is not. I think Tyra Banks. I said Jessica Alba. Jessica Alba is like half Hispanic, I think. No, that's not true at all. I am not. I do not discriminate between race. I think every race can produce very beautiful female peoples. Yeah, no. I think every race is capable of making really beautiful people. I do not discriminate. SJ is strange because she's really average looking. You are out of your mind. You are out of your mind. I I strongly disagree. I am no, that's actually objectively wrong. I've never seen a more objectively wrong statement. That's more objectively wrong than 2 plus 2 equals 5. It's actually crazy. You're crazy. You're crazy. What is going on here? Second inch long here. Maybe I'm more like old school. I don't know. I think Blake Lively is actually very pretty as well. Blake Lively, very pretty. My like secret person that I really like that I know is not a 10 out of 10, but this personal preference is Rashida Jones. I don't know why Rashida Jones I think she's like half black, half white as well. She got a little yin and a little yang. Got a little yin yang. Charles Wilson. Yes, I'm interested. Second entry long here. Coming off the 20 MA. It's a bit far away from 20 MA if it does bounce off like this. And that's just a risk I'm willing to take. We're also hitting like the top of this like pyramid triangle thing, and I don't know what to make of it. I'm going with one single contract. Signal bar is terrible. I'll come with retracement actually. Might be worth with a nice retracement here. Can risk 2 points to potentially gain a lot. Right, another inside bar here. Just absolutely crazy. Woo, 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 woo. Hard to believe OP had such. Who's OP? Wow. I mean, it's hard to take a second entry long here now with this like bear bar forming here. I don't know. I mean, the signal bar looks terrible. Question is, I mean, could we have a breakout, essentially breakout pullback to the retesting this? It's like a very classical breakout pullback trade, right? When you break out and then pull back to the breakout area, or here, the trend line. It's very classic technical analysis, to be honest. Very classic. Five-minute, here's an inside bar, breaks to the downside here. Kelly Rowland, who's that? Who is Kelly? Well, where's she in? Oh, she's a actress. Actress? Wow, this is not someone who I would consider. I don't know. That is not my style. Not my style. Maybe because all the pictures I'm seeing are like of her right now. She just looks a little old. I mean, for her age, she does look good, but. Oh! Get in there! I'm in. I am in it to win it. Basically a one-to-one trade here. A little better than one-to-one. I'll take it. She was in. Oh, she was Destiny's. Oh, she was. Ah, I see. Not my style. Not my style. What was her name? Who died in the plane crash? Aliyah, something. I think Alicia Keys is actually really pretty too. What was her name? Pandas. Who was that? That singer who died in the plane crash in like the '90s. I think she made a song for like Romeo Must Die or something. One of those like Jet Li movies. Aliyah. I don't know how to pronounce her name. Aliyah. It is Aliyah. I was actually right. I just didn't think it was her name because it's not, I just like started saying stuff. Aliyah. I thought she was really pretty. Can't believe she died in a plane crash. Alright, we're in a sus trade now, officially. Right, the first bar is very sus here. And we're about to trap here above the 20 MA. I'm not going to take the trap trade, obviously, but... Ooh, that's not good. You never want to see a trade reverse on you like that. I don't feel too bad about this one, but this is, again, like the classic breakout pullback to the previous resistance that now becomes support. Right, you bounce off. It's like a very classic, and the signal bar is not bad. It's an inside bar, believe it or not. Right, it's an inside bar on that signal bar, which is annoying, but that's just the kind of day we're having today. It's an inside bar day today. I really like this now, right? If this reverses and fails and goes up, I'm gonna hold on to this one for a little bit. Jessica Crow, the single female panda coming in. Lisa Left Eye Lopez. Why is her name Lisa Left Eye? Wait, is it because she has a... she wears bangs and she only shows her left eye? I just pulled up a picture. Oh, man, but she did not age well. I'll tell you that much. She... I'm sorry. Oh, wait. Oh, this is not her. Oh, I spelled her name wrong. Why is her name Lisa Left Eye? Was she blind or something? I had a thing for Liz. You know, a lot of things for Lizzo. Some say she's the reason why we have the total solar eclipse today. That one's for you, Hugh. Let's go, baby. All right. This trap failed. Double trap failed. Or we got double trap here. Ooh, not as nice as I wanted. All right, pandas, can we get it? I mean, a 1-to-1 is what you need to get, at least in my opinion, right? 1-to-1. Got a higher low on the 5-minute chart, which is nice. Higher low maybe on higher low on 10K chart now, which is nice. I'll take it. I don't know. Should I just hold it to Big Mama? I kind of just want to get my bamboo here today. Just kind of be happy with it. We got really strong. We got always in long on the 5-minute chart.
Target filled.
All right, that was easy. I can't complain about easy bamboo. I'll take it. I'll take it when I get it. And again, that's like the classic breakout pullback trade, right? You break out, you're pulling back to where basically an uptrend as well, and I don't know. Pandas, we're up 166. I'll take it. Pandas. With that being said, thanks for joining, everyone. I know today was really slow. We did get some bamboo today. I'll take it. I could have been up more. I could have been up $200 more. Right? I could have been up 366 today, but I got a little. I got maybe a little greedy there. I wanted more than the 1-to-1. I wanted to make a new low here, but forgot that we were in a big old trading range, so should have just scalped out that 1-to-1. But pandas. No one burnt it. Is that Black Lights got it? Don't burn your retinas. Don't stare at the sun. That's bad for you. Pandas. Hope you guys are doing better than me. Stick to the plan. Trade safe, everybody. Thanks for joining. It's been great, even though most of our majority talking about Zendaya being pretty or not. Pandas, hey, it doesn't matter. As long as we're with the best community on YouTube verified, that's all that matters. And pandas, you guys surely make days like today a little bit better for trading. Pandas. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Make sure you guys use BBM for 80% off. Take advantage of it while it still lasts. Enjoy the solar eclipse. And I'll see you guys. 9 o'clock for the pre-market show. 9:15 for the mainstream. Hope to see you guys there. And always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.